So welcome to my Leetcode solving section 1479. 1475. So be sure to subscribe to my channel. Okay, so given a rate price where price I is the price of i's items, then there is special discount. And if you buy i's item, then you will receive a discount equivalent to price j, where j is a minimum index, such that j larger than I and price j less or equal to price I. So the first one, right? So you remember is the first one. So A4623, right? So for 8, right? The first one you encounter after 8, which is less than 8, is 4, right? So you get a discount. So the final price is 4. And for 4, right? You use the next, then the next one you encounter is 2, right? So 4 minus 2, which is 2. For 6, you encounter the first one is 2, right? So 4, right? And for 2, you don't recover, you don't see anything, so it's 2, and 3, you don't see anything, which is 3. Okay. Okay, so it's very easy. I first count how many pieces, how the number of prices, and I copy the prices. Okay. So this is easy because so I just copy the price. So that means if I see discount, I just update this L, and if I don't see any discounts, then I don't do anything, right? So for I ranging n, and then for j ranging I plus 1 to n. So this is j means that I see the list basically after I. Okay, so if price j less than price I, then I just update li to be price I minus price j, and I break this loop. I break this loop. That means we don't have to do anything. Alright. If I don't see anything, then if I don't see any discount, then L will just the same. Li will be the same as price I. Okay, so I only update when I see the discount. Okay, so submit. Okay, that's it. I will see you guys in another interesting video.